Next, we have a chorale. And again, the standing action allows you to color the four voices, the three harmony voices. Did you see how I did that? If I fell in, it's warm and homogeneous, but it's not individuated. Now I've got three voices, this one, this one, this one, because each of those voices was created by a judicious, individuated stand-up action. Now I can bring in the solo voice as a total other entity. While I'm standing, sliding, gliding, moving, evoking a join of one note to the next through the phrase, I can get to the deeper expressive nature of this music.